Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's video. And if you guys, wanted to add a bank account or a card on your PayPal account, and this video is for you because I'll be showing you how to confirm bank account on your PayPal in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, guys, of course, we need to go to our PayPal and log in your account. And for us to add or confirm our bank account, guys, you just have to go to our wallet. Okay, and as you can see, I already have here some cards and bank that I've linked on my PayPal account. So for us to add a new one, you can click or link a card or link a bank. Okay, let's say link a bank. So you just have to fill up all this stuff, guys. Okay, okay. So the name of bank, let's say Land Bank. Land Bank of the Philippines. Okay, let's say you have here. Okay. And what you need to do, guys, is just have to click this link your bank. Okay, so it says that your Land Bank of the Philippines checking is linked and just hit done. So you've successfully add a bank account and you'll receive an email and guys from PayPal, and you just have to confirm it. And that's it. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.